Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about coffee. Now, I drink my coffee in the morning like everyone else usually does, and I'd like to share with you why it fills my needs for breakfast. So there's a few ingredients that I put inside my coffee. First, I add a lot of fats. Now it sounds a little weird, but when you put fat inside anything you eat or drink, it acts like a hunger suppressant. So it satiates your body. Now there's all different types of fats that you can put in your coffee that actually taste pretty good. Now the one type of fat that my wife likes to put in her coffee is coconut milk. Here's the first type of coconut milk that we use. We buy it at any local grocery store, and we usually put about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk in coffee. The next thing that you can put into your coffee that's a healthy fat is Mct oil. Again, if you like that, if you've been used to this, you can put this in your coffee. Now what I typically put inside my coffee is coconut oil. Again, you can get coconut oil from any local grocery store. I typically put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil inside my coffee. I put approximately 1 tablespoon of ghee inside my coffee. You can also use butter or any other type of fat. Now the next thing I add is some type of protein. This will kind of fill you up and act as a substitute for breakfast. I typically use some type of collagen peptide, and I use, again, about 1 tablespoon. Now finally, you can put some things in there to make it taste a little bit better. Himalayan salt is good for that. Any kind of sea salt. I particularly don't like salt in my coffee. The next thing my wife likes to add to make it taste a little bit like a cafe mocha is just cocoa powder. What I don't add is any type of sugar substitute, or anything like that. I don't like the flavored creamers, so let me go ahead and show you how I mix it all up. 1 tablespoon of collagen peptides, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then I add about 8 ounces of coffee. I leave just a little bit of coffee for my final step. Here's what it looks like when you add the coffee. I typically just stir it up a little bit. Next, I use a handheld mixer to mix it up nice and good. And because I like every last drop of coconut oil and fat and all the good stuff in my coffee, I take my last bit of coffee and rinse off my mixer. Then I'll pour this in my coffee cup. There's a few ounces of half and half in my coffee already, and I'll just pour it in. And there you have it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.